Ishwar Master, awareness is quickest enlightenment. Quickest enlightenment routes. I was searching quickest enlightenment. Then awareness comes with the martial arts. So martial arts are one of the quickest way for enlightenment. It develops your awareness. Then I was already practicing online. Till the time I already practiced, I already got the awareness. But let me have more and more awareness. I joined martial arts within 1 week after I read that in the internet. And I joined in 2011, approximately 12 years back. Ishwar Master, I met him. He's senior than me in meditation and martial arts. So I learned from him, and after that, if you wanted to walk for 1 kilometer, 1 kilometer it is. I used to think, okay, 1 kilometer walk karna hai. But after martial arts practice, 1 kilometer only, na? Easy. And also, the whole world, light increased. The same world, but I am able to see the pursuit. The light increased, total world, light is increased. So I entered into a new world. That's what I call the feeling. So claps to martial arts. Okay? All the gurus. Thank you.